So this is a wooden knot puzzle, 3 by 4 by 6. As first part, relatively simpler. We're just going to open it. It's not going to take a lot of time. If you just play with it, you always find this one loose piece somewhere. This is where it goes. This one that comes out. If you open it carefully, you will remember. I mean, if you remember the sequence, how it goes back, and it will help you. But yeah, as it always happens, it just falls apart at some point of time, and then all the sequence and everything goes for a toss. So this comes out here, and then this one comes out. It's very simple, really, to open the whole thing. Move it around. It's a bit tight. Yeah, take it out here. So, yeah, I think at this point you know that you have cracked it already. Yep. Pretty much there. And yeah, that's it. Ta-da! That's it, friend. Okay, quick one. Thank you.